This is a 2019 F250 6.7 Powerstroke. It's got the 6R140 transmission. We're doing an install on the bypass filter on the transmission today. We had to do an aftermarket pan for the return. We're also installing a bypass filter for his engine, so you'll see both of them. Okay, so we've got our transmission bypass kit right here. This is one's gonna be for our engine. This is your cross member that's right behind your transfer case. I use rib nuts to bolt the bracket to it, and then you've got your 30 foot-pounds on your mounting bolts on the sides. I've got my out port and my in port here. I flipped it. I actually had this the other way, but I'm gonna do out port this way because my return port is on the passenger side of the truck, and my pressure port for the transmission is on the driver's side of the truck. So I'll run hoses off of there. This is the return line for the engine kit that runs up to the fill cap, and so I'll be able to just run it right here, and I'll zip tie it up and make sure it's all up out of the way. This hose runs across up along the top of the frame and then up into the engine compartment to the fill cap. The in-port hose will run the same direction as the out of the transmission because it's also up on the oil filter housing, which is on the passenger side of the truck. Hoses, socket, barb, they come together. You're gonna take the socket off of the barb, put the socket on something hard, and then you're gonna push the hose into the socket until the rubber hose, you can see the rubber on the bottom side of those internal threads. Next, you're gonna lubricate the barb with some oil. You see there's not very much on there. And then you're gonna thread the barb into the socket, making sure that the hose doesn't get pushed out of the socket as you're threading the barb into it. And you can see, you can do it almost all the way by hand, but I'm gonna get wrenches, and then I'm just gonna make this barb touch this socket, just until the socket and the barb touch. Okay, so for the 6R140, mounted on the cross member behind the transfer case, you have a 4.5 foot pressure line and a 5 foot return line. You see this looks a little cobbled up right here because this is our first. It will change to something more like this. So torque specs on these are your AN0604 MS90. That's 1/4 inch pipe thread. That's 122 inch-pounds between here and here. Because the transmission utilizes more pressure, we reduce the size of the orifice feeding our filter so you don't push too much to our filter. 6R140 pressure port. So this is the updated pressure hose on the 6R140. So you have an AN06 10mm by 1.0 adapter. This threads directly into your transmission. It's got the dowdy ring on it for the sealing, and then it goes straight to an AN06, okay? Then you take your AN0606 FJ90 and you connect that to the end of your hose as per our instructions. So the other side of the hose, you have an AN0604 MS90. You install that on the end of your hose as per our instructions. And this is our swivel 1/4 inch pipe thread. This is what would normally go directly into the bottom of your housing in the in port. This is our pressure reducing orifice, 1/4 inch. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna thread this onto the end of your hose with thread sealant, and then you'll put thread sealant on this 1/4 inch pipe thread and thread it into the bottom of your filter housing in the in port. So that is 122 inch-pounds between the swivel 90 and the orifice, and 122 inch-pounds from the orifice into the bottom of the housing. On the pressure side, this 10mm by 1.0 has a dowdy ring. It's straight threads. It doesn't require thread sealant, and it's at 60 inch-pounds into the transmission. So make sure when you're tightening your AN06 to your adapter, you're doing a backup wrench on here, because if you try to tighten this AN06 to tight enough that it won't leak, you will break this off in your transmission. So you have to hold a wrench here and then tighten it here. So with the AN, what I like to do with it is I like to go until it's finger tight, and then it's usually about 1 flat tighter. And I like to do it at least twice. Tighten it an extra flat, loosen it, hit it again, and then tighten it a little bit more. That also does not require thread sealant. Your sealing surface is right here on this chamfer of the AN fitting. So this is your pressure port on your 6R140 M10 by 1.0. Got it torqued to 60 inch-pounds with the dowdy ring. I had all this torqued up previously, so I wasn't over torquing the 60 incher. We'll get this line all zip tied up and over to the back of the filter housing. Return line for the 6R140 is 5 feet long, and you're gonna have the AN0604 MS90 that goes into the out port of your filter housing and the AN0602 MS90 that is the return port into the aftermarket oil pan, 1/8 inch pipe thread. This is 110 inch-pounds. This is 122. 1/4 inch, 122, 1/8 inch, 110. Okay, so this will be the pressure to the in port. Right here, I'm going to torque this to 122 inch-pounds. Then I'll get my lines all zip tied up nice and tight. So the out port hose will come out of the out port, goes up over the top of the cross member, this cross member that we have the filter mounted to. It runs up over here over the top of the transfer case. I'm going to use some zip ties with these holes. I'm going to zip tie it here. I'm going to bring it all the way back over to here. There's another hole right here I can zip tie to. So my return will come in right here on my aftermarket pan on the side of it, which will be right here. And this is an 1/8 inch pipe thread, so this will be 110 inch-pounds. So I haven't had the aftermarket pan on yet, but this is where it's going to be. So the return line is right here on the passenger side in this 1/8 inch NPT port. That's 110 inch-pounds that I'll torque that to. This is a super clean, easy install. Pressure ports on the driver's side, return ports on the passenger side. Both the lines run up over the top of the transmission transfer case, back here to this very well protected area, bolted to the bottom of the cross member behind the transfer case.